Hey, in this video, I'll be going over the voice AI chatbots that are offered in the MSP Hub HQ. So when you sign up for a plan that has these bots, this is basically the way it works. You get two bots. They both have a number attached to them. The bot is the generic AI secretary, which pretty much routes the calls and figures out if it's a new customer or if it's a current customer or if the customer needs technical support. If the customer needs technical support, that bot will then route the call to our technical support chat bot, which goes further. So before I get into all the nitty gritty of it, let me just show you the kind of the general workflow so you get a better idea of how the whole system works. A phone call comes into your phone line that we set up. At that point, it rings the live person. We always want to bring the live person first because that's typically going to be the best option, right? However, if the right person is not available and doesn't pick up, the best other option that you have is for it to go to the voice AI. So the next step is it will go to the generic AI secretary. From that point on, this generic secretary determines whether the call is a new customer, whether it's a current customer, and they just need accounting support, and whether it's a current customer that needs technical support. At which point, the bot will transfer the call to the other bot that is just designed for technical support. That support bot has a separate phone number, so you can actually give that phone number to your customers and have them directly call straight to the tech support bot. If it's a new customer, the idea is to book an appointment. So the bot will try to book an appointment for the person. And I'll show you how that all works. If it's a current customer, we will gather up their information. It will then send an email to the generic email account with a summary of the call, the purpose of it, and the transcript of it. And then you can handle it with our accounting or whoever's handling those. If it's a IT support call, the bot will first try to diagnose the problem, ask some probing questions, and then it will submit the ticket for you to your ticket system. And let me just show you how both of these things work. So let me call our generic line and we'll see what happens. So because I am calling, it's showing my phone number. So it's bringing both my cell phone and it's ringing the outgoing number. So in this case, this is just a test example, but it would be calling your main number. So we'll just let that ring and go to voicemail and we will see how the bot works.
Hi there, you have reached Alpha CIS. Are you calling to learn more about our services? Or are you an existing client needing help with IT support or billing?
I'm a new customer actually, looking for have some questions.
Great to hear from a new customer. How can I assist you today? Are you interested in booking an appointment? Or do you have specific questions you'd like me to pass on to our team?
Yeah, could you book an appointment for me?
Absolutely. Let's get that appointment booked for you. Could I have your full name, please?
Yeah, it's David Tech.
Thanks, David Tech. Could you please provide your phone number and email address so we can send you the appointment details?
Yep, my email is dt@msphubhq.com and my phone number is 770-555-3212.
Thank you, David. Just to confirm, your email is dtt@msphubhq.com and your phone number is 770-555-3212. Is that correct?
No, my email is actually dt@msphubhq.com.
Got it. Your email is dt@msphubhq.com. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Perfect. Now, let's find a suitable time for your appointment. How about Thursday, July 24th at either 9 a.m., 12 p.m., or 3 p.m.? Do any of these work for you?
No, Thursday's not good for me.
No worries. How about Friday, July 25th? We have slots available at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Yeah, 3 p.m. works for me actually.
Great. I've booked your appointment for Friday, July 25th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that will do it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for reaching out to us today. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to contact us. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Okay, so we just kind of saw that in action, but now let me actually show you the back end, what happens after that call is made. So a couple of things are going to happen. The appointment is going to be added to our discovery calendar. The person, in this case me, will get the following email sent to them, right? With the time that we just talked about, my information here, and the Teams meeting. So if I hit accept, this will show up on my calendar now. And then the entire transcript of this call that we had, so call summary, who called, the phone number, the name, the client status, their email address, and the whole transcript will also be emailed to the generic email box, in this case, the sales box or whatever. So that is basically the workflow for this agent. Also, if I was to say that I am not a new customer, if I was just to say that I am a current customer, it would kind of work in a similar way. The only thing that would be different is that instead of booking an appointment, it would just send this summary pretty much to the same inbox. So in that regard, that pretty much works all the same. But now let me show you how the technical support bot works. Okay, so now let's talk about the current customer technical support and how that chatbot works. So again, we'll start with the first thing. We're going to call the incoming call general line, and it's going to ring the live person. Live person won't pick up, and it's going to go to the generic AI secretary.
Hi there. You have reached Alpha CS. Are you calling to learn more about our services, or are you an existing client needing help with IT support or billing?
Yeah, I'm an existing client. I need help with technical support.
Got it. Let me connect you to our technical support team right away. Hang tight for a moment.
Hey, you have reached Alpha CS Technical Support Line. Can I get your name, your company email address, and your phone number?
Yeah, my name is David Tech. My email is dt@msphubhq.com, and my phone number is 770-555-3212.
Great, David. Thanks for that info. Are you working from the office, home, or somewhere else today?
I'm working from the office, actually.
Got it. Is this a new issue you're facing, or has it been happening for a while?
Nope, it's a new problem.
All right. Can you describe the problem you're experiencing? What's going on?
Yeah, I can't access my QuickBooks.
Oh, that's frustrating. Are you seeing any specific error messages when you try to access QuickBooks?
It says like file not found or something like that.
Thanks for sharing that. Is this preventing you from completing your work, or can you still manage some tasks?
No, I kind of need QuickBooks right now, so it's preventing me from working.
Understood. Is anyone else around you having the same issue, or is it just you?
Yeah, Joe over here is also having problems.
All right, sounds like it might be affecting multiple users. Are you connected via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable?
I'm on Ethernet cable, actually.
Thanks for that info. Is this a company managed device with our tools installed?
Yes, it is.
All right, David, since this is affecting your work and others too, I'll make sure it's marked as a high priority. A technician will follow up with you shortly. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you for reaching out. We've logged your issue, and a technician will follow up shortly. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Okay, so you could see that was, first of all, sounded very good, and asked probing questions, and it was able to then complete a task. So let's see. Let me show you what that looks like now that we finished that call. Okay, so in this situation, we use Atera as the RMM. So for this, I can show you what it looks like. Once that call completes, this is the email that was sent into the help desk. So gives you the call summary, gives you all the breakdown of everything that happened, and it's a logged ticket in the system. So as you could see there, we didn't have to talk to anybody. The customer was able to get assistance on this, and a ticket was logged. So now the person that would go in there would, assign the ticket and handle it the way it needs to be handled. So that's pretty basically how the chat works. The idea is to offload the work from the end users, MSP owners, technicians. This will greatly resolve some of the workload of just picking up the phone and recording tickets.